Hello everyone, how are you today? Are you good? And are you ready for some phonics? I thought so. I've got some sounds here. Can you bounce my sounds 3 times? Off we go. Amazing. I've got some pictures here. I'm going to have a look at the pictures. Can you think about what is the first sound in all of my pictures? My turn, your turn. Sun. Sorry. Snake. Socks. Scissors. Fantastic. Have you thought about what the first sound is? Oh, we're going to do it again and bounce the sounds. Are you ready? My turn, your turn. Sun. Sorry. Snake. Socks. Scissors. Fantastic. Oh, have you heard what the first sound is in socks and scissors and sorry? Did you say s? You're right, it is the s sound. I have the s sound here. Would you like to have a look? Are you ready? Are you steady? It's the s sound. S. 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 Fantastic. This is the s sound. S. 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 Fantastic. Well done. Okay, I am going to robot some words and you are going to blend them together. Are you ready? Wake up your blending arm. Fantastic. Are we ready? Off we go. Sun. Well done. Sap. Sap. Well done. Sap comes from a tree. Sit. Sit. Fantastic. You are very good at this. Okay, I'm going to give you some words and I want you to robot the words. Get your robot arms out. Put in some new batteries for today. Make sure they're working properly. Are you ready? Your first word is sat. Sat. Fantastic. Your next word is sock. Sock. Fantastic. Your last word, oh, this one's a bit tricky. Are you ready? Listening carefully, is 7. 7. Amazing. You are so fantastic at this. Remember, the sound that we are looking at today is the s sound. S. S. Amazing. Okay, we are going to read some words. Remember, when we read words, what do? We look at the letters, make the sounds, blend the sounds together. Everyone, we fantastic. Let's get our words. Are you ready? Are you steady? Make sure you're looking. First word. Fantastic. Sat. Amazing. And next word. Are we ready? Off we go. Well done. Sap. Fantastic. Amazing. Okay, we're going to have a go at practicing writing the S sound. So get yourself a pen or a pencil and something to write on. Have you got it? Are you ready? Okay, we're going to do it together. Okay. For the S sound, we slither down the snake. Amazing. Then do a finger space. And we slither down the snake. Fantastic. And slither down the snake. Fantastic. Keep practicing. What sound are we writing? Fantastic. The S sound. Amazing. Okay, we're going to have a go at writing some words. Are you ready? Remember, when we write words, what do? We say the word, say the word, say the word, robot the word, write the word. Well done, everyone. Fantastic. Okay, get your robot arms ready. Your first word is sat. Off we go. Fantastic. Writing it down. I'm going to write it down too. Have you written it? Have you? Are you ready to show? Show it in 3, 2, 1. Sat. Well done. Sat. Amazing. Okay, we're going to write one more word. Are you ready, robot arms out? Your word is sit. Like I am sitting down. Sit. Off we go. Fantastic, writing it down. Have you written it? Are you ready to show it? Showing your board or your paper in 3, 2, 1. Sit. Well done. Sit. Fantastic. And remember, we always start on this side of the paper or the board, and we always write towards the sun. Amazing. Wow. I am so impressed with the phonics that you have done today. You have been super fantastic. I think you should give yourselves a big round of applause. Even bigger. Even bigger, even bigger, even bigger. And give yourselves a pat on the back and on the other side and say, I'm amazing at my phonics. Even louder, I'm amazing at my phonics. Fantastic. Well done. And remember, the sound that we were looking at today was the S sound. Amazing. Very good. I hope you have a lovely day and I will see you next time. Bye.